Hi guys, Jurgen here with Philemon Outdoor Adventures. Today, the crew and I are heading for Cabresto Lake for some ice fishing. At 9,500 feet in elevation, this alpine lake is known for its brook trout and native cutthroat trout. Getting here requires a 4x4 vehicle, but the adventure is always worth it. After drilling our holes and setting up, Felipe kicks things off with the first trout of the day. And even though I took a stumble, he caught a beautiful brookie with stunning colors.
Oh yeah.
First
My
brookie.
first one? Huh? Quick?
Their eyes will freeze and all that stuff.
Look how beautiful.
Pretty. Alright, you want a picture? Alright, I'm gonna start off with this Sierra Slammer and I'm gonna tip it with some waxworm. Nice juicy waxworm. Yeah, if that doesn't do the trick, we'll use a super worm. It's a larger beetle larva. Trying to find the bottom to have a reference point. I think I'm at the bottom now, yep. Went slack there. That one. Oh shucks. Came loose. That one. Feels like a little one. Yep. Little tiny guy. Let's get these guys. Let me take my glove off, guys. Put them back in the water. They're pretty. Little Brook. Put some snow on my eyes, my hands. Yay! Alright. Look at those beautiful white fins. Red spots, yellow spots. Beautiful. Logan on the board.
That's a good one. Good looking one.
Is that a, that looks like a cutthroat. Is it? Oh no. It's got the white fins on the bottom. That's a, let's take a look at him. Yeah, that's a brook trout. Nice. Let me. Oh yeah, that's a beauty. Oh. There we go.
Come on, swim down, buddy. Come on. Just gotta swim down, buddy. That's all you gotta do.
You got him on the tungsten, huh?
Yep.
And a super worm. Where did you get those super worms from? These are old ones?
Yeah, we've had these for like 3 weeks.
Hey, Justin, on the board. Justin on the board, you got one? Sure looks like it.
Brookie. Do it all for the brookie. Do it all for the brookie. Bye. Bye, Felicia.
All right, we got the cast master. We got our super worm. Got him.
Spider.
You got a little fighter. Hopefully it's a good one.
Pull and drag.
Here we go. Oh, it's a little bigger. Yeah, they're getting bigger. That one is what? 8 inches?
Oh, easily 19.
Beautiful color there, man. Let me get a picture of that one. Just to get this. On one, huh? Oh, nice, a beauty.
Yeah.
That's the second one on the jaw jacket. What do you got in there? One of his jigs. Beauty.
Can you put this one back on?
Beautiful fish. These are brook trouts. You got one?
I got one.
Let me see, man.
Biggest one, dude.
Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, this one is bigger. Yeah.
Can I get a pic?
Yes, sir. How much is it?
10.
10 inches?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a nice
I
one.
caught him right here.
Right on the surface?
Right there, yep. Followed it all the way up. That's 10 inches.
Oh, that's definitely 10
Mine was
inches.
10. Mine's 10 and a half.
That's, hold up. Is that a cutthroat? That's
Yep.
a cutthroat.
Yeah, it's a cutthroat.
Look at the little orange under his gills. Can you get that light? Oh, nope. We got the first cutty. Let me use my phone, man. Yeah, cutthroat.
Good?
Yep.
Alright.
First cutthroat of the day. They do pretty well.
Yeah.
My spoon.
Damn. It's good.
Oh, my man got another one, not a brookie, not a pretty one.
Here we go for the brookie.
Yeah, let put it in the light. Real quick. Nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so this is Felipe's rig. It's a double drop shot. He just has loops. He has two loops. One on top. And then he has, the bottom one is not a loop.
Yeah.
The bottom part is not a loop. So he adds a loop to the leader. Or if he was fly fishing, tip it.
A little bit different, but
For the fly fishing, you would have two loops.
Holy crap.
yeah.
Holy
And then he would put his leeches
Big one.
That's
see it?
on the loop.
Yes. Where, in the very bottom?
Look
Look at his screen.
Got it? Oh,
No,
he's nibbling at it.
He's not eating the hook though. He's not eating the hook.
Yeah, he's just tasting it. I hope you guys get it. Oh, look, he's coming for you. Oh, set it. Yes!
Oh, I guess it wasn't that big.
Oh, it wasn't that big. He looks big on camera.
I mean, it does.
I thought it was a...
Everything looks big on camera.
Yeah, not bad. He's like 7 inches, 8 inches.
No, but the one before this was.
Oh, so it probably had a bigger one there.
Okay.
Oh! Woo! What is that?
That's a brookie.
Let's see what it is.
Cutthroat, yeah. That's a cutthroat.
Yeah. The cutties are bigger. Have been bigger than the... Yeah, I'm changing, man.
Can I borrow you?
Chasing my lure.
Can you reach it? Turn the leg?
What is that, a treble?
Yeah.
You got a flyer, guys, or hemostat?
Yeah, they're right there inside the red things right there. The red ones.
Can you undo it?
Whoa, that's something big right up on the bottom.
All right. Let's take a picture with the cutty.
Is that the big one though?
Well, no.
Oh, that's a nice one, though.
The one that was coming by.
Jugging board. Just like.
That's all 10 and a half.
How much?
10 and a half.
Oh, 10 and a half. Man, I'm not overestimating. Felipe, what do you think about us leaving on time, man?
Hey, I'll give it this to you. Oh, I'll give it them just. It is what it is. I'm not driving.
Oh, never mind. I thought it was gonna be different.
Yeah. Logan had us leaving on time today. He's being very responsible, unlike us older dudes here. Always looking for the last gas after the 50th last gas. We're gonna stop and eat something, get some dinner out here in Taos, New Mexico. Alright guys, our adventure has come to an end. We're out here enjoying a warm meal.
It's coming.
This is coming. Yeah. So we got some good food here. Yeah, say we went up to Cabresto and we caught some different species of trout. We caught some cutthroat and some brook trouts.
Yep.
That's right.
Yeah, pretty beautiful fish. Beautiful.
Different experience, definitely. This time.
Yeah, we had a good day.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Yeah, we're always experimenting with different flies, with different lures. So
Thank you.
this was another adventure. That was a learning experience. You know, jigging for trout. We saw trout coming to investigate our lures. Sometimes they take it, sometimes they don't. But you have to keep switching things up.
Thank you.
Maybe it's the presentation. Maybe it's maybe they don't like the color of your lure, so you have to keep trying. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, to leave a comment, and to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you on the next one.
We don't have a bell. Fish on, fish on.